In this video, I want to introduce you to a cryptocurrency exchange called Bitget. Bitget was started in 2018 and currently is in over 50 countries with close to over 2 million users. Now, one of the very nice features that I have noticed on the site is called copy trading, which isn't even in this particular video, but in this one, I want to show you how to be able to buy Bitcoin on the Bitget site. Let's get those credits rolling. Bitget is one of the top cryptocurrency exchanges, and in terms of spot, it's currently at number 19 with over 394 coins and just above 500 different market pairs. What we are going to do in this particular video is sign up on the site, and then I'll show you how to be able to buy Bitcoin on the site. So the first thing that you need to do is go into the description of this video, check the first link, and that's what you will use in order to sign up on the site. You'll use your email or phone number to sign up, and the second thing that you'll need to do is to download the Bitget app so that you can be able to access it on your phone. The next thing that you'll need to do is to verify your identity. This is very simple. You use either your national identity card or a passport in order to do this step. For me, this took less than 10 minutes and I was done. Once this is complete, we'll now move to the next step, which is now on the phone to be able to buy Bitcoin on the site. Once you have done this, you'll actually come onto the Bitget site, and here we are on the site itself. You'll be able to see what I am seeing at the moment. This is the homepage. We are currently on the homepage, and there are several promotions that are going on the site. One of the exciting things for me is they've actually gotten Messi to be an ambassador, and they sponsor the Juventus team as well. So the first thing I want us to do is to be able to deposit onto the platform. In order to do a deposit on the site, we'll go where it says click on deposit, and that's what we'll click on. And I want to actually do USDT. Let's start with USDT, and you can actually use all these chains to bring money from another platform to this one. But the one I actually want to do is that I want to buy on the platform. So I'll click on buy crypto, and there are different ways of being able to do it. You can be able to do using Express, using P2P, and using third party. So with this, we now want to make our purchase of USDT. You can be able to do from 50 going up. I'll do 51 so that we get our 50 USDT. And recommended, there are 3 different service providers that Bitget uses. One is called Simplex, the other one is called Banxa, and the third one is called Mercurio. The recommended one here is Simplex, so I'll click on next right here, and you can use Visa, MasterCard, or Apple Pay. In our case, we'll actually make use of Visa. So at the moment, that's what we are waiting for. It will take us to the Simplex site where we'll be able to now put in our card number. The card I'm using right now is called People, because I can be able to load M-Pesa on it and then use those details on the other end. Here we are on the payment details, where I'll actually input all my details here, and then we'll go to the next page and we can be able to buy. So it will ask for your card number, the expiry, the name of the card, the security code. This is a 3-digit code that you input there. Of course, this is private, and I'll keep it private as it is. But once you fill in these details, we'll now go to the next step. So for me, that's what I want to do right now. So what it does, it will send a code to your email once you filled in the details, and then now the payment has been completed. It brings this screen that just tells us a lot more about Simplex. In the very first deposit, that takes about 3 to 5 minutes, but that's complete. Now we have the money on our wallet. So it's currently in our spot wallet. So I'll click on spot here, and you can actually see the USDT that we just purchased is on the wallet. There's a charge of about $2, which is about 4%. In my case, I think that's a bit high. So what I'd rather do for the next ones is to buy on another exchange and then send it here via different methods. So how I'll do it now from now on is to click under deposit, and I'll actually still use USDT, click on USDT, and I can be able to use any of these chains. The cheapest in my opinion are either the BEP20, which is Binance Smart Chain, or TRC20, which is Tron. Those are the cheapest at the moment, and I can be able to use that to fund this particular wallet. So the next thing I want us to do right now is to be able to buy Bitcoin on the platform. You know, I love buying Bitcoin. So here what we'll do is click on spot at the bottom here from where we were on assets. So I'll click on spot, and at the very top you can actually see it's BTC stroke USDT. The current price of Bitcoin at the moment is 16,085. So we'll place in a limit request at 16,075, and we want to do $28 of it, and I'll click on buy USDT, and then I'll click on confirm. So it will open up an open order of 0.0017. This will be filled once the price goes down to 16,075. And that's a simple way on how to be able to buy Bitcoin on the Bitget site. Make sure that you sign up on the first link in the description below. In the next video, I will show you how to be able to do copy trading on the Bitget site. This is a peculiar feature on the site, and I'm pretty excited to show you all about it. I'll see you in the next one.